Mass Academy. Uh, Exercise number 4.3, Unit 4. We are studying this question. Question number 7 we have reached. So we are going to solve this question in this lecture only. This is because this question is somehow long and it has different method than remaining questions. So therefore here we are applying remainder theorem. Let phi a is equal to 6a cube plus 24a square plus 6a minus 36. Now the rule is this: put the value of a. First of all, we are taking a is equal to 1. We are going to check whether putting a is equal to 1, 0 remainder comes. So wherever we see a, we will write what? 1. We are writing in place of a 1. P1 is equal to 6a 1 cube plus 24 1 square plus 6 into 1 minus 36. After that we know that 1 multiply 1 1, it comes 1, and 24 1 square is again 1, and plus 6 minus 36. Now we are going to further 6 multiply 1, 6 comes, plus 24 multiply 1, 24, and 6 minus 36. After that we are heading 6, 24 and 6, all three numbers are plus, it comes 36 and minus 36, 36 minus 36, it comes 0. It means we got the remainder 0. If remainder is 0, then it is clear that a is equal to 1 we have written. Shifting 1 that side, it will be a minus 1. A minus 1 is factor of PA. We can write a minus 1 is factor of PA. After that we are going to use long division method by using this a minus 1 is a divisor. So we will take a polynomial expression, that is 6a cube plus 24 square plus 6a minus 36, and we know now a minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial expression, so we will divide it by a minus 1, and we are sure this division and remainder comes 0 because a minus 1 is factor. Now with a minus 1, what to multiply by this a to get 6a cube? To multiply by this a, we know 6a square if you multiply. So 6a cube come minus 6a square by multiplying 6a square. Our quotient first term is 6a square. So here we can write 6a cube minus 6a square. Now the rule of division we know, we will change the sign as it is plus. It minus will be plus and plus will be minus. So if 6a cube minus 6a cube cancel, and this comes plus. Now it is 6a square and 24, it comes 30a square, and remaining terms plus 6a minus 36. After that we will see our divisor is a minus 1. What to multiply by this a to get 30a square? Then we have already a, so multiplying by 30a. If you multiply a by 30a, it comes 30a square, and 30a multiply minus 1, minus 30a itself comes. Then we are writing, we have been to how many times? 38 times, plus 38 times. Further we are writing 30a square as it came minus 30a. Now we are changing the sign. This is the rule of division. After changing the sign, they get cancelled, and 6a plus 30a, it comes 36a minus 36. Now again same divisor, that is a minus 1. We have multiplying by what? That get 36a. A multiply by what it means? Then of course multiply by 36. When we multiply a with 36, it comes 36a, and 36 multiply minus 1, minus 36 comes we have used right now what term 36 is a quotient. Now here it can write 36a minus 36. After changing the sign, they both terms gets cancelled. Now remainder is 0 already we know. So here we can say that dividend, that is polynomial expression 6a cube plus 24a square, and similarly plus 6a minus 36, it is equal to, because we know that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient, and divisor is what, a minus 1, and quotient, divisor we have written a minus 1 into quotient. Quotient is 6a square. This is the rule here. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient, 6a square plus 30a plus 36. After that we will carry on this further. We can write a minus 1 same factor, and here if you see something that 6 is common, 6 can catch 6, 6 can catch 30, 6 can catch 36. So we can take out 6 as a common. That's why first of all we are going to take out the number that is 6 is a common. After that we'll factorize this trinomial expression. After taking 6 as a common, then we are left with a square plus 5a plus 6. Then after that we will be using the rule of trinomial expression, how to expand or how to break the midterm, that is 5a. What are those factor of 6? If you multiply 6 come, and if you plus them or add them 5 come, that is 2 and 3. Multiplying 2 and 3 6 come, and adding 2 and 3 5 comes. That's why we are going to break midterm or 5a into 2a plus 3a. Then next term we already know, because we have dealt with such kind of expression. Now we are going to take 2 common between two terms. A is common in first between two terms, and later 3 is common between two terms. So we have taken common, and remaining bracket common came a plus 2. After writing same expression, same factors 6 into a minus 1, then we can see a plus 2 is common, then left what, a plus 3. Here one thing we have to do, that is we can write the factor of 6 as 2 and 3, because 2 multiplied by 3. Converting 6 is prime, its prime factor. Prime factor of 6 are what, 2 and 3. So we can write in place of 6 2 multiplied by 3, a minus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3. We have finished this expression factors. We have found the same way, the same method we are going to apply next expression. See, as I told you, it is somehow big, though it is easy, but long. Now we are going to take a second expression, that is 4a cube minus 8a square minus 20a plus 24. Similarly, we have already let it. Then we are going to put first time a is equal to 1. In place of a we are writing 1. Wherever we see a, we will write 1, keeping 1 in place of a. Is 4a cube minus 8a square minus 20 into 1 plus 20. Now 4 multiply 1, we have written minus 8 multiply 1 minus 20 plus 24. Then we multiply 4 1, it 4 comes, and 8 1 minus 8 comes, and plus 4. Actually minus 20 plus 24, it comes what, plus 4. That's why we can write adding minus 20 and plus 24 plus 4 we can write, and we can see 4 plus 4 8 come minus 8, 8 minus 8, it comes 0. Remainder is what, 0. Hence we got the remainder as 0. So shifting 1, a is equal to 1 we have taken, yeah, shifting 1 that side, it will be a minus 1. It is clear that from here a minus 1 is factor of phi a. Pa here means polynomial expression. That expression we have to that is 4a cube minus 8a square plus minus 20a plus 24. Now we do the same procedure. We are going to use long division method, that is this polynomial expression 4a cube minus 8a square minus 20a plus 24 will be taken as a dividend, and that a minus 1, that is our factor, it will be our divisor, and we'll keep on the division procedure as we already know such kind of division. Now the procedure is this, by this a minus 1, yeah, what to multiply to get 4a cube, what to multiply by a, so 4a square if we multiply, then easily we can get 4a cube, and 4a square multiply by minus 1, it come minus 4a square. We took first term is what, 4a square. Now it came 4a cube minus 4a square. After that we are going to change the sign, minus gets plus, and we know they gets cancelled, and plus 4a square minus 8a square, it comes minus 4a square. Remaining terms will be coming same, minus 20a plus 24. Again same divisor, that is a minus 1, multiplying what by a, that to get minus 4a square, then of course with minus 4a, multiplying a by minus 4a, it come minus 4a square, and minus 4a multiply minus 1, it come plus 4a. We have been to minus 4a times, that's why we write quotient is there, and after that we are writing the terms whatever we got, changing the sign. Now gets cancelled, what, 20 minus 4a square, and minus 20a minus 4a, it comes minus 24a, and same term we write down. Again we are multiplying a minus 1 by what to get, multiply a by what to get minus 24a, clearly minus 24, multiply minus 24 with a minus 24, a come and plus 1 minus 1, it comes plus 24. We have been minus 24 times, so writing these terms as we obtained, changing the sign, plus gets minus, minus gets plus, so they gets cancelled, totally they got cancelled, and remainder is what, 0. But it is clear that is the rule we know that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. So our dividend right now 4a cube minus 8a square minus 20a plus 24 is equal to our divisor as a minus 1. We are writing a minus 1. After that quotient we have, that is 4a square minus 4a minus 24. Here also see 4 is common in quotient. We can take out 4 is a common, a minus 1 is already there. Then after taking 4 is a common, so a square minus a minus 6 left, because 4 can catch 24 6 times. This trinomial expression, that is a square minus a minus 6, we are going to break mid term, so mid term is minus a. We know 6 factors can be 2 and 3, but remember here it is minus 6, that's why we will see the difference of the factors. 2 minus 3, difference between 2 and 3 is what, minus 1. Then we can divide, break minus a is plus 2a minus 3a. After that same terms a minus 1 we have written, we are taking a as a common, a plus 2 left, minus 3 is a common, a minus comes plus, and a plus 2 left, because 3 can catch 6 2 times, and 4 we can write 2 multiply by 2, a minus 1, a plus 2 is common further, so we are taking a plus 2 as a common, and what left in the last, a minus 3. These are the factors of the polynomial expression we have. And previous term we are going to see its factor, that is 9, 2 and 2, they are common, because you are looking now common. This question is already big. Now a minus 1 and a minus 1 they are common, and a plus 2 and a plus 2, these two terms are common. The product of common terms will be our HCF. Now we are going to write the or getting or finding HCF. So in the last we are writing hence HCF is equal to 2 because one common was 2 multiplied by a minus 1. Second common was this, and the third common was what? A plus 2. Now we are if we multiply, we are not multiplying this way, just we are writing them same way. A into a minus 1 a plus 2